everybody, welcome to Tanu's Cine Bites, and today we're talking about the Malayalam film Thalavan. Directed by Jis Joy, Thalavan is actually a notable addition to the Malayalam film industry, marking Joy's departure from his signature feel-good films to explore the dark realms of investigative thrillers. Despite the genre shift, Joy maintains his collaborative comfort zone by working with Asif Ali, I think for the 5th or 6th time. The film stars Biju Menon as Circle Inspector Jayashankar and Asif Ali as Sub-Inspector Karthik, depicted as two sides of the same coin. One is struggling to fit into the rigid hierarchies of the Indian police system, while the other is a strong enforcer of the system. The narrative explores their difficult relationship when one of them is involved in a murder and the other is tasked with investigating the crime. So Thalavan actually explores several thematic elements, including the hierarchical nature of the police force, the clash of egos, and the quest for justice. The film delves into the personal and professional conflicts that arise within the police system, highlighting how the power dynamics and the personal vendettas can complicate the pursuit of justice. Screenplay that's penned by Sharath Perumbavoor and Anand Tevarkad is both engaging and very straightforward. The dialogues add sufficient depth to the main characters, highlighting their personal and professional struggles. The story effectively unveils the dynamic between the two leads, how portraying the system is bending them or breaking them. However, the film's simplicity is sometimes leading to confusion, with numerous characters and plot twists making it a little hard to keep track of the investigation progress. Talking about the acting, Biju Menon shines as the tough and seasoned C.I. Jayashankar. He's actually in his element here, although this performance does not quite reach the height of his character and role in Ayyappanum Koshiyum. Asif Ali delivers a stellar performance as S.I. Karthik, and he's showcasing his growth as an actor with each film. The supporting cast includes Mia George and Anushri, who contribute well to the narrative, but they are not well developed as characters to leave a lasting impact. So I had an issue with the pacing of the movie because it kept fluctuating a lot with moments of intense suspense and then long drawn out expository scenes. While this helped approaches to build tension, I started losing my attention at some places. Some plot points, particularly those that involves the personal lives of the characters, felt quite underdeveloped, which left a lot of questions unanswered. So despite these issues, the film's strength actually lies in its realistic portrayal of police work and its moral dilemmas. The cinematography by Sharan Velayudan is commendable, capturing the gritty, tense atmosphere of an investigation place. The use of lighting and camera angles are effective in enhancing the mood and drawing the audience into the world of these characters. Despite some plot holes and occasional confusion, Thalavan is a compelling watch for fans of a murder investigation drama like me. It provides a compelling look at the complexities of the police work and the personal struggles of those who serve it. We can all relate to this dynamic that we have with our bosses at workplace. That is the same dynamics we can see both Biju Menon and Asif Ali having against their superiors. The film's climax is set up with a cliffhanger that shows a potential for a sequel, and so we can expect more of this CI-SI duo of Biju Menon and Asif Ali. Whether you're a fan of the genre or simply looking for a well-acted, thought-provoking thriller, Thalavan is worth your time on a cool Sunday afternoon. So that's it guys, that's my review of the Malayalam film Thalavan. Let me know what you thought about this film in the comments below. Did you watch this movie or did you go and watch Mammootty's Turbo? I heard it's pretty good for an action movie, so I'm planning to check it out really soon and release a review for all of you. Till then, take care. Ciao ciao.